And what is up, everybody? Man, this is your boy Elevated, man. It's Elevated Travels. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. We out here again on Figueroa. This is a Saturday mid-morning. I'll probably say about 10:30, 11. It's been raining, so I've been cooped up. All right, we got fire trucks already out here, man. Are we kind of catching the aftermath of a Friday night? Probably. But anyway, yeah, man, we're gonna make the usual route. Welcome to any new subscribers. What the? Yeah, I'm glad I saw him. And we just out here on a cool, brisk, you know how it can be right after rain, man, you know. Man, I'm really glad I saw that dude. What the? I'm not gonna lie, I almost didn't see him. I wasn't looking down, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, we're gonna keep pushing. I'm sure he had a cool night. What's he picking up? I hope no baby actually needs this. I was just about to say, why is there so many cars right here all of a sudden? What you gonna do, bro? Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Okay, that was a lot of action at that moment. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. I don't know what that little patch of 10 seconds was, but hey, I think those are some lanes. So I think it's kind of pretty much time to either cross the street and get away from that damn dog, bro. Okay, we gonna get away from this dog, bro. I'm not messing with that dog, whatever they got going on with that dog over there, bro. He's just running around. Looked like he was about to bite the CC. Drop that like, drop that subscribe for your boy Elevated, man. We out here. Who you guys got? The Eagles or KC? Don't worry, if you say KC and you a subscriber, I still love you anyway. If you're not a subscriber, I don't know. Nah, I still love you anyway. Huh? At least she had an earpiece on. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. I'm telling you guys, Scoops is on the way. Damn. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Damn. Okay. I'll see her real quick. Damn, she nice as hell. Oh, we gonna get up out of here though. You see my head is looking everywhere. There's a lot going on out here right now, bro. Say it again. Water? Wait, say that one more time. Oh, no, man. Nah. Hey, I'm assuming you're not talking about regular water, right? Sure. Oh, no, well, right there. Yeah. All right, man. All right. What the hell was that nigga talking about? Water? Hey, if you're not talking about like drinking water, bro, I only know what, like, what? I gotta check to see that he have teeth. I don't think he did, and if he didn't, that would explain a lot. Yeah, we just gonna keep pushing north. Oh shit. Oh man. Look, look, look. Yeah, I like that too. That was nice. Thank you. Jesus Christ.
I love you too. I'll put the history in my black pen.
Yeah, that for real. Same to you. You fine as hell.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Do you mind the camera?
Huh?
Do you mind the camera? No?
So what, baby?
Do you mind the camera?
Do I mind the camera?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, let me get up out of
My
here.
friend might.
Man, you fine. Have a good one. What happened? Damn, she fine as. Wow. Yeah, we gonna keep rolling, baby. Let's go, man. What are we doing out here today, bro? All right, man, so that's gonna do it for your boy, man. We had another fun ride out here on Figueroa Street in South LA. Signing out live. I'm your boy Elevated, man. This is Elevated Travels. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. Right in the middle of my outro, huh? Yeah, okay. But anyway, drop that like, drop that subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go get some footage for Scoop that I can't show over here. Peace out.